Hello students, welcome to Abhyas Quest, powered by Quest eTech in association with Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. I am going to give you an overview over career-oriented program that is related to insurance. In this course, there are three parts, that is certificate course in insurance, diploma course in insurance and advanced diploma course in insurance. In this session, we have video lectures, e-books, online assignments, and practicals. The first course, that is certificate course in insurance, will cover. It will start from 4th December 2021. It will cover 13 weeks, and the modules we will learn in this will cover introduction of insurance. In this, we will learn concept, meaning, nature, scope, importance and functions of insurance. Second unit is related with life insurance and general insurance business, and third unit is related to process to get life insurance policy, insurance contracts, renewal of policy and endorsement. Fourth unit will cover insurance agent, definitions, procedures for becoming an agent, while functions of agent. And fifth unit will include types of insurance. In this, we will learn about fire, marine, accident, crop, livestock, property, medical, and other insurance. Next part, that is diploma course in insurance, will cover. It will come also on 4th December 2021. It will cover 13 weeks, and in this, we are going to learn nature and scope of insurance, insurance in Indian economy, growth of insurance business in India. Second unit will cover social security and risk, uncertainties of business and insurance, measurement of risk. Third unit includes settlement of claims, death claim, maturity claims, survival benefits claims, surrender value, calculation of premium and their determinants, payments of bonus, etc. Fourth unit is all about fire insurance, scope, use, contract of fire insurance, termination of policies, causes of fires, etc. In fifth unit, we are going to cover marine insurance. In this, we will learn detail about the marine insurance, freight, cargo and vessel, etc. So this was about diploma course in insurance. Next one is advanced diploma in insurance. It will also commence on 4th December 2021. It is going to cover in 13 weeks. In this, we are going to learn, in first unit we will cover accidental insurance, detailed procedure about accidental insurance, and in second unit we are going to cover LPG and insurance business. Third unit is about accounting of insurance, trial balance, revenue account, surplus, profit and loss account, adjustment and balance sheets. In fourth unit, government and insurance business, government policies regarding insurance services, funds investment policy, procedure for reinsurance, insurance regulatory and development authority. And in fifth unit, that is last unit, we are going to cover laws relating to insurance, that is LIC Act 1956, General Insurance Act 1938, General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972. Thank you. For more details, kindly visit www.abhyas.quest and subscribe to Abhyas Quest official YouTube channel.